The main goal in 2019 was to make a small dot, a dot between 3 to 4 nanoliters that can be used in fine pitch components. The biggest challenge, I would say, is to keep a small dot constant with good quality and high speed over a long period of time without issues for our customers. On top of the quality and also the versatility of this solution, what we bring to the customers is also a very strong improvement on speed, on throughput. We can achieve this one because we make a match on the mechanical system and also on the materials, on the solder paste. And we match the rheology of the solder paste with the mechanics of the valve that we are using. So this solution is already since 2 or 3 months at the market. And we can easily fit at least 2 Pumas with one jetting system. And we are speaking about components per hour, something between 15 to 40,000 components per hour, depending on the product. The main ingredient, I would say, is the jetting on the fly. We are flying on top of the PCB at a very high speed, and we use a sophisticated, ballistic methodology to place the position of the solder paste with high accuracy on the small pads. For jet printing, is one of the main process enhancements is the customer now they can customize the volume on pad. For example, if they want to do this with a stencil, they need to order a new stencil. With our solution, they just click some buttons and then they can increase or decrease the volume as they wish. And this could happen in few seconds. We wanted to help our customers with an all-in-one solution. That means the customers can produce several processes on the same machine with a very good footprint. That means in a small machine, you can make glue jetting at high speed, jetting into cavities for repair of high-end products. We can use flux jetting, also on the fly. We can apply solder jetting on very complex and expensive PGAs. This makes the whole changing of products more dynamic and more simple for the customers. And on top of that, you can make inspection of glue and solder and inspection of components. And everything, like I said, in a little bit more than 1 square meters. It is a unique solution in the market.